Hello everyone. So today is day 17 of recording myself every day till until I make my communication and my English better, and until I get a job of rupees, and until I start making money of rupees, at least 1 lakh rupees per month. Today I am going to talk about why I am not able to make to remove myself from that comfort zone. So I start my day by waking up around 6:30 or 6:45 a.m. And after that, I before leaving the bed, I start scrolling social media and different social media platforms. And after that, I woke up around 7 a.m. and straight go to the bathroom and take bath and came back. And after that, after that, either I take lal I after that I uh, either I drink lal tea or I enter into a bed. I enter into bed and start designing thumbnail or they doing random things. So the problem here is that I have not a proper clarity what to do at morning. That's why after taking bath I start doing random things like designing thumbnail or start talking to ChatGPT. I have made this thing as a as I have made this thing my another comfort zone to avoid the discomfort by writing a LinkedIn post or writing the things I need or learning of on YouTube. Or I, despite of all those two things, I start watching YouTube on laptop for the sake of learning. But in reality, I watch uh, random videos without taking note. Watching those videos is not bad, but watching without taking note is bad. And after that, around 8:45 to 9, I start preparing going to shop. And after going to shop, I start and I do nothing. I carry 3 to 4 notebooks with myself and do nothing. I have been bringing I have been taking those notebooks from around 1 month from the day I have started going and started taking care of the shop. And after coming back from shop around 8 p.m. I took dinner. I have my dinner and I again enter into bed. As you can see, I am in my bed, and in my mind I think that from 9 p.m. I will on my study table and do the task. So basically I am not able to complete those tasks, and after that I record myself talking to the camera and upload it on YouTube. That's it. That and I went to I and after that I sleep. This is my daily routine, and I am not doing the things which are required from me to do, and I am also doing the same mistake I have done in past, and because of that I was not growing. So basically my problem is not having a clarity, and clarity comes with discipline. I need to decide what to do at morning before going to shop, and one thing I am not promising, but I will follow that. I will Before going to shop I have to complete three tasks which are not harder, which are very simple. First one is I have to do exercise. Second one is I have to drink 2 liters of water. Third one is I have to read 10 pages of book. Fourth one is that I have to watch a YouTube video around communication or around communication or around communication or how to talk or how to write or how to it will be around how to talk. It also include storytelling. It also include the way how to improve grammar, basically how to basically how it would be around soft skill, and basically around communication. So these are the what are things. First, they do drink 2 liters of water. Second is do exercise which includes 10 push up and 10 squats. Third one is read 10 books, 10 pages of a single book. Fourth one is watch a YouTube videos around communication. These are the things I have to complete anyhow before going to shop. And at the shop hours, which is around 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., I have to complete. I have to complete five. I have promised to complete these four tasks, which are very easy, and it would be only take around 1/2 hour for video, means 1 hour for video, 10 minutes for exercise, half an hour for water, and reading books, which will also take around half an hour, around uh, इन लगभग 2.5 घंटे में मैं पूरा कंप्लीट कर लूँगा वो टास्क, और मेरे पास उठने से लेकर दुकान जाने तक 2.5 घंटा अच्छी खासी होती है मेरे पास। और रही बात मुझे क्या करना होगा दुकान पर जाने से लेकर जाने आने तक, तो उसके लिए मुझे 5 टास्क कंप्लीट करने होंगे। द फर्स्ट वन इज बिफोर कमिंग फॉर लंच आई हैव टू ओनली सेंड 5 email. I have to send only 5 emails for job or anything. The second one I have to complete is that I have to I have to only I have to apply for 5 job anyhow, 5 job on LinkedIn or anything anyhow any cost. The third one is I have to record. I have to write a LinkedIn post. Fourth one is I have to record a LinkedIn video or a LinkedIn and a Instagram. The same video I will post on 2 platforms. And from tomorrow I have to start day one, from day one on a series of day one and day one. Starting from day one. These are the four things. Fifth one is I have to prepare. I have to prepare the topic around which I would be talking on YouTube. The sixth one would be I have to watch 2 hour tutorial or 2 hour course on the topic marketing or AI, and also practice them. So these are the 6 things. The first one is I have to send 5 emails to different companies for the internship and job. The second one is I have to apply for at least five job on LinkedIn, Naukri, or any job portals. Third one is I have to record a video for LinkedIn and Instagram. Fifth one is I have to watch tutorial or do a course for on the topic of marketing and or AI. The last one is I have to prepare a topic on which I have to talk at night and post it on YouTube. These are the six things. And after coming back from shop and after having a dinner, I have to also complete three tasks. These would be I have to record a video which I am doing right now to post on YouTube. The second one is I have to complete all the tasks. I have to complete all the tasks related to YouTube posting. This was the first. The second one is the task I have to complete at night after coming from shop and having dinner is that the first one absolutely is recording the video and post it on YouTube along with optimization and all that. The second one is I have to also take care of my college along with this challenge. So I have to prepare for my exams from for the college, like I have to study or do classes. So these are the two things I have to complete at night. So these are the all the tasks, which includes six tasks at task between the shop hours, the two tasks at the night, and and for morning I have to read books, I have to exercise, I have to drink 2 liters of water, I have to watch a YouTube video on communication. I have to I these are the four yes, 6 plus 4 plus 2 6 plus I have to complete these 12 tasks anyhow any cost. So this was day 16 of the challenge. See you from tomorrow, and I will start doing those challenge from tomorrow. And right now I am going to write those all those tasks on WhatsApp personal chat. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Good night.